I think I'll do some time-lapse photography around here.
Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, I'm in Ashland, Virginia today, and as you saw at the beginning of the video, right there, I'm going to do a time lapse on my iPhone 14 Pro. I've been at this spot for not quite 2 hours yet, but probably a few more minutes, and then I'll move down by the train station. I'll do a video on the CSX trains, and then another video on the Amtrak trains. Well, I was kind of surprised today. Not much train action. Got maybe 5 Amtraks and 2 CSXs. Like I said, that'll be on 2 separate videos. So after you see the CSX train or the Amtrak trains, switch over and catch the other Amtraks or the CSX trains. And I'm also going to do a time lapse of the day. I was about 4, maybe 5 hours of video on that. So I think that's going to do it from Ashland, Virginia. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.